Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. Ever wondered how to create a memorable Airbnb experience that guests will rave about? Let's dive into the world of Airbnb experiences. These are unique, locally focused activities that hosts like you can provide for their guests. Think of it as your chance to show off your city or area's hidden gems, or perhaps share a skill or hobby you're passionate about. By offering Airbnb experiences, you're not just giving your guests an unforgettable trip, you're also setting yourself apart as a host. This can lead to increased bookings, glowing reviews, and a higher level of overall guest satisfaction. It's like adding that extra sprinkle of magic to their stay. And who doesn't love a bit of magic, right? So, are you ready to step up your hosting game and create experiences that will make your guests' stay truly special? Well, you're in the right place. We're going to walk you through the process of creating an Airbnb experience that your guests will love. Creating an Airbnb experience isn't as daunting as it may seem. Here's how to get started. First step, brainstorm an idea. This is the fun part. Think about what you love about your local area. It could be your favorite hiking trail, the best coffee shop, or a hidden gem that only locals know about. The key here is to think about what you are passionate about and how you can share that passion with others. Maybe you're a whiz at making homemade pasta, or perhaps you've been surfing since you were 5. Whatever it is, that's your ticket to creating an unforgettable Airbnb experience. Next, outline the itinerary. This is where you get down to the nitty-gritty. What will your guests do, see, and learn during your experience? It's important to be detailed while keeping the itinerary flexible. You want to create a certain sense of adventure, but also make sure your guests know what to expect. Now, let's talk about pricing. This can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. A good rule of thumb is to compare similar experiences in your area and price competitively. Remember, you're not just selling an activity, you're selling an experience. Consider the time, effort, and resources you're putting into it, and price accordingly. Finally, you're ready to submit your experience for review. Airbnb has a team that will review your experience to ensure it meets their quality standards. Don't be disheartened if it doesn't get approved straight away. Take any feedback on board, tweak your experience, and resubmit. Persistence pays, my friends. A few tips to keep in mind. Always strive to make your experience unique. This is what sets Airbnb experiences apart from typical tours. And remember, authenticity is key. Guests want to connect with their hosts, so let your personality shine. Remember, the goal is to create an experience that showcases your local knowledge and passion. Make it personal, make it unique, and most importantly, make it fun. Need some inspiration? Let's take a look at some successful Airbnb experiences that hosts have created around the world. Take, for instance, the delightful cooking classes in Italy. Hosts there have opened their rustic kitchens and shared generations-old family recipes with travelers. What made these experiences so successful? It was the hosts' ability to combine their local knowledge, passion for Italian cuisine, and their warm hospitality that left guests with a memorable, belly-filled experience. Or consider the art workshops in Paris. Hosts there have successfully turned their quaint studios into spaces where guests could unleash their creativity. The secret sauce? The host's exceptional ability to share their artistic knowledge, coupled with their infectious enthusiasm for art, that helped guests create their own masterpiece. Then there are the guided tours in Japan. Hosts there have crafted unique itineraries that take guests off the beaten path, showcasing hidden gems that only locals know about. These experiences were a hit because the hosts' deep-rooted local knowledge and love for their city came through, providing guests with an authentic, insider's perspective. And let's not forget the yoga retreats in Bali. Hosts there have been successful in creating serene environments where guests could find inner peace. Their success lay in their ability to blend their passion for yoga with the tranquil beauty of Bali, offering an experience that left guests feeling rejuvenated and at peace. As these examples show, there are many ways to create a unique and memorable Airbnb experience. What will your experience be? So, there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating an Airbnb experience with examples to inspire you. We've taken you on a journey from understanding what Airbnb experiences are to the nitty-gritty of setting up your own. Remember, it's all about showcasing your unique skills or local knowledge. Whether it's a cooking class or a guided hike, these experiences can be a game changer, offering guests a slice of local life. Now it's your turn to create an unforgettable Airbnb experience. Happy hosting!